Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you want to organize all those little things that you keep around your office desk, I really want to recommend to you this awesome pen holder by Fengtaiyuan. Now, this is the perfect size for my office. I'm able to organize all of my pens and markers, all those little office things that I want to keep in one place. They just fit perfectly in this pen holder. It's made out of a black mesh metal. The material is pretty strong, it's sturdy, so you know it will last you a very long time. And of course, the most important thing, it keeps all those little things in your desk organized in one place, which helps my desk look very organized and neat. So if you're looking for a pen holder for a very good price and it's going to last you a very long time, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.